Spider-Man 2099 from Across the Spiderverse. Difficult pose, hands shooting webs out this way. So take your time, try have fun. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm on a landscape page. Let's go. So his head is up here, it's kind of tilted, big arm coming out this way, right? So we start with the shape for the head, right? So we'll just curve a line across the top. It's kind of square on top. And then this will come down the side, right? Either side. Going down this way. And then we hit a jaw here, which comes in. And we have a chin that comes across this way. And then his jaw that goes up this side. Like so, right? So that's like the tilt of the head and the approximate shape, okay? Right, so then his eyes, right? So they're kind of simplified in this version of him. So line there, and then we go up, around, and they're kind of square on the end. And then down, right by the head, side of the head, and then they come down to a spike near the mouth. It goes back up. There. Down like so. Right, so then other side, bring it up into there, like so, and then we spike it up like that, goes down, and then down to a spike at the mouth, back up, around and back up the side of the head. Like that, and then it's all sort of just like blue. Maybe there's like a line there. Okay, so then, right, so arms and shoulders, right? So we've got like his collarbones come out here, right, like the other one, like there. Like the center line for his chest will be sort of here. Right, so we've got like a pretty big chest muscle and shoulder and everything. So shoulder, right up near the top of the head, comes up, down. This is like the red armor, right? Down into there. And then the chest muscle looks like it comes down this way. In there. And the other chest muscle just like comes across and up to there. And then we have the other shoulder. It's much bigger now on this side because it's like coming towards us. And it's got these red sort of spikes. Like here. And then his neck muscles back there. So this is like his bicep or shoulder going that way. Okay, so the rest of the body, we'll just get that, the front of it anyway. So we got like some abs and stuff, just bumping out here. Down like that, and then his back curves down this way. And then it kind of sticks out for his hip and down towards his leg. So the other leg just goes out here. So it's like curving, bent around the knee, kind of like this way, and you've got like side of the leg up towards the thigh in there, the rest of the thigh here, like his crotch sort of area, and then the thigh going down there. And then we can just see like his foot sort of sticking out here. Goes down off my page, and like there's like a red line just there. And there might be like some extra like thigh muscle lines. Like so. Right, so we'll deal with this big arm coming across here, and then we'll add all the details. So tricep, forearm coming out here, forearm line here, down like a wrist bone or something there. Right, and there's like so like his hand kind of goes in this way, and the arm on the other side. So we've got these sort of spikes that stick off his arm, right? One flies back here. Where does that go? So the other side should go around like here. Right, and then the other one. Like so, right, and there seems to be these like forearm muscle lines, and then his wrist sticks out here, and then the arm comes up, bumping for knuckles, like so, and then this comes up, down, like that. All right, and then like a diamond on each knuckle. Can't see this one because he's shooting out some webbing, so we'll just leave that one. All right, they're kind of like three-dimensional, so we'll draw ones like that. And then his thumb, like so. So he's got like web. It looks like the webbing comes out like of the top of his wrist. Goes like off this way. It's just like red. And then he has these red patterns. Well, we'll do that when we're doing all the red stuff. So we'll do his other arm first before we do all that. So, right, real muscular dude. So, we've got like tricep. Goes out towards the elbow, but there's like a big spike that just comes out here. So then we have bicep on top. And like another sort of armpit and bicep line going there. So forearm comes out here, and then the palm of the hand bumps around there. And then we see the thumb. And then fingers on top. So we go up. Knuckles. And then the hand sort of comes down the back. And we've got some spikes sort of sticking off here. And they're wrapped around his wrist and his forearm, just here. Okay, and then we've got like knuckles and fingers and things. So he's got these, all these caps, these diamonds on his knuckles, right? So you gotta draw them in. And then knuckles along the bottom. This is his little finger just on the side. He's swinging out webbing, so the webbing goes off the page back there. And we got like this red pattern there. And some more webbing comes out this way. Okay, so inside here we've got some more like a skull-like shape inside here, right? And all these red lines. So just some on his shoulder, one inside here, and then down in here, right? So we've got coming down from his chin, okay? These sort of skull lines, right? So it sticks out like this. Right, and then it sort of comes out here, down like so. And meets the corner of that, right? And in there, there's like eyes, real pointy eyes like so. And there's a nose here, like a triangular sort of skeleton-like nose. Oh, this is a spider. It's actually, I'm only after realizing this now. It's like an upside down spider, I think. I have big brain. So it looks like there's like a head here. Right, there's like legs that stick out from it. And then big legs all around, right? So coming out from the neck even, just out here, right? Up under the neck. And then another one joining the shoulder here. And this one goes the whole way down around, right? Spiking down to the bottom. And it joins his shoulder somewhere here. And then there's another spike on this side here. I guess it's a spider leg, really. And then we got to do this over here. And they're much skinnier on this side because everything's kind of foreshortened. There. So, and then here. Down. There's like a blue section in there, so that's all red. And then another leg kind of following his abs here. And another one just on the outside. There. And then I guess, like, so to draw in sort of, oh, does he have, these red spikes here as well, sorry. So like, right, and then we've got some like abs just coming down the body here. Maybe like some oblique. Muscles, abdominals, just there. Okay, I think that's everything. Of course, red and blue all over. Pretty simple sort of design. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.